Lockly Access Touch 3D Fingerprint Reader, turn any deadbolt into a smart lock, premium satin nickel finish. Upgrade any deadbolt into a smart lock, Access Touch works with most deadbolt types. Enhance your door security and save cost and time on rekeying. Easy to install and attaches to your existing deadbolt in minutes. Cutting-edge 3D biometric fingerprint sensor with advanced AI, recognizes your fingerprint in just half a second, learns and improves response rate with each fingerprint, unlocks your door in 1 second, stores up to 99 fingerprints. Lockly PGD728 FMB Secure Plus Deadbolt, Fingerprint Smart Lock, Keyless Entry Door Lock with patented keypad, Bluetooth, app control, matte black. Your finger is your key, unlock your door using the built-in advanced 3D fingerprint sensor. Unlike other smart locks, Lockly only uses high-quality capacitive fingerprint sensors which only recognizes fingerprints unlike less secure optical readers. Deadbolt door locks with keypad, remote control with app, IC card, mechanical key, security with auto lock smart lock front door external lock IP65 waterproof. The most ideal keyless entry smart door lock, unlocking ways including fingerprint, 80 pieces, unlock less 0.3s plus anti-peep keypad, protect your password from prying eyes with a random combination of numbers, plus remote control with app plus mechanical key plus and Wi-Fi control remotely, gateway sold separately. The fingerprint door lock is equipped with an upgraded 508 dpi fingerprint sensor module, with a recognition rate of over 98% within 0.3 seconds. Smart door lock, WELOCK keypad door knob, keyless entry, app unlock keyed/IC card entry, LED display, IP65 weatherproof, zinc alloy body for interior door/front door. WELOCK Smart Door Lock is an excellent solution for temporary visitors, rental property management, and self-housing resident. These smart locks for the front door can set up to 10 user codes, generate passcode remotely and share it with your visitors, and the codes can be programmed or deleted.